There's a lot of differences between Madagascar and the United States. When I first got to Madagascar, I knew I was not in America anymore. It is such a different experience. We know, of course, that America is a first world country and Madagascar is a very third world country. Right now, there's a plague going on in Madagascar, and that's something that Americans think that, well, has been eradicated for centuries, but it's something that Madagascar still experiences seasonally, and it comes every year, and it usually stays in more of the countryside areas, but just this year it has gone into the more rural areas and the major cities. When I first got to Madagascar, there are no rules, there are no traffic laws, so driving in Madagascar is definitely crazy. Another thing is you'll see people with carriages that are pulled by cows, and they have all their hay or their mattresses or whatever they're selling like on the back of their carriages, and being able to go around them, it can be a nightmare sometimes. Houses there are very small. It's just like a little one-room thing, and they'll have their beds in there, and they'll have one bed in there, and they'll have like a little spot where they can have a little kitchen. But that's a lot of places. That's a lot of houses in Madagascar. Something really cool as well is in Madagascar there's 18 tribes. There's like Merana, there's Betsileo, Sakalava, Atanjui, Vezu, and I can't name them all off the top of my head, but there are a lot of tribes, and they have a lot of different dialects, and some of them they're not too different from the more popular dialect, which is Merana, but there's a couple of them that you cannot understand. It's just so different from the regular Malagasy that it feels like it's a different language.